Hi everyone, I hope that you all are good and fine. So in today's session, we will solve this question number 1 of exercise 11.2. Okay, so as I have told you students that these are the figures of parallelogram. Okay, and I have explained you some of the features of parallelogram that we need to know about before solving the numericals. So I hope that you might have seen that introduction video, and if not, then no problem, I will explain you here also. Okay, see, this is the figure of parallelogram students, and we all know that we have to see, this question is stating find the area of each of the following parallelogram. Means we have to calculate the area of these parallelograms. Okay, so for calculating the area of parallelogram, we know that we are having one formula, that is area of parallelogram is equal to base into height. So here we need two things, first base and next height. So here if you will see the figure students, then both the things, that is base and height, are given. So just we have to multiply them and we have to calculate the area of the parallelogram. Okay, now see, this one is given as 7 centimeter. Okay, so this is as base and this one is height of the parallelogram. Similarly, here this one is the base of parallelogram and this is the height given. Okay, similarly here this is the base of the parallelogram and this is the height given. Similarly here if you will see the figure students, then here the figure has been rotated through 90 degree. Okay, so here this is the height. Okay, and this one will be the base, not this one. Okay, height is always perpendicular on the base, height is always perpendicular. So here perpendicular is drawn like this, so base will be this one. Similarly like this only here in last question, this one will be the base, that is 2 centimeter, and this one will be the height, that is 4.4 centimeter. So base and height of each and every parallelogram has been given, just we have to put it in the formula and we have to calculate, we have to do the calculation, we will get the area. Okay, now starting, I am going to start the solution from here students, A. So first we will write solution. Okay, then given data, what are given data here students? Base B is equal to how much? 7 centimeter. Okay, height is given how much students? 4 centimeter. Okay, now here we will write by formula area of parallelogram. Students, if you will see here carefully, this is the short form of writing parallelogram. Okay, so area of parallelogram is equal to base into height. B for base, H for height. Now put the value, base is equal to given 7 and height is given 4. So 7 4 ja 28, and the unit of base and height is centimeter. So unit of area will be a square unit, that is centimeter square. So this is the height of first parallelogram students. You can see here, just I have put the values, that is base and height, in the given formula, and then just I have calculated, I have multiplied, and we are getting the area very simply. Okay, so these questions are very simple students, and I hope that you will write these given data solutions. Okay, so I am going to calculate for the rest of the figures in short. You have to write this much of, so that it will look good. Okay, now here base area, directly I am going to find out the area. Area is equal to, again base into height. Again area is equal to, that is area of parallelogram is equal to base into height. How much is your base given students? 5, and how much is height? 3. So 5 into 3 we will get 15 and centimeter square. Okay, similarly here also if you will calculate the area, so area is equal to base into height. Okay, now put the value here, base we are having 2.5 and height we are having 3.5. Now how to multiply this 2.5 and 3.5? See, forget about the decimal and multiply. 2.25 into 35, multiply them. 5 5 is 25, carry 2. Okay, 5 2 is 10 plus 2, 12. Okay, 5 3 is 15, 3 to the 6 plus 1 7, here 5, here 7, here 8, means 875 we will get 875. Now here one decimal after one digit, and here also decimal after one digit. So in the result we will put the decimal after 2 digits, starting counting from the rightmost part 1 2, here put the decimal and then centimeter square. This will be the area of this C parallelogram. Okay, now moving to next. Here if you will calculate the area, base into height again. Okay, here base is given 5 centimeter students. Okay, and height is given 4.8. So multiply it. I am going to multiply 4.8 here. I am going to multiply it here. Okay, so 48 into 5, then 8 5s are 40, 5 4 are 20 plus 2 24. Okay, decimal after one digit, only one of them is having decimal and it is after one digit. So in the result we will have decimal after one digit, starting counting from right side. So 240 decimal after 0 means centimeter square. Okay, so this will be, that is 24 centimeter square will be the area of this D parallelogram. Now moving to next, again if you will find out the area, then area is equal to base into height. How much is base here? Here base is 2 and height is 4.4. okay, now I am going to multiply 44 into 2, you will get 88. Okay, and decimal after one digit. So in the result put decimal after one digit, that is 8.8, and unit will be centimeter square. I hope that you can see it clearly, students. If one or two digit is missing, then I am speaking verbally, so I hope that you will manage it. Okay, so like this we are finding out the area of the parallelogram when base and heights are given. Just only simple thing that you have to keep it in your mind, students, that sometimes the orientation of the figure will change. At that time what you have to keep it in your mind, why height will be always perpendicular on the base, like here in these two figures. Okay, so we will see some of the more figures and some of the more calculations, some of the more numericals in upcoming sessions. So this was your question number 1. I hope you might have understood, and thank you for connecting with me, students.